In this video, I'm going to break down why you should keep posting even when it feels like nobody's watching. Let's get into it. Now, we know what happened to all of us. We got the nerve to start a YouTube channel and we start posting videos. We put the thumbnail out and the thumbnail is really good and then we post it and then we get low views and sometimes we get no views. And if you get low views, it's your mama, your daddy, your cousin, and your dog look at the video and your dog say, yo, that sucks. I ain't even going to subscribe to your channel. It happens to all of us. But what I want you to do is to keep posting even when it looks like nobody else is watching those videos. Keep posting. Because I'm going to break it down. The reason you should keep posting these videos is threefold. And if you get these three things in your mind, it's going to keep you from not giving up. Number one, you have to realize when you started this YouTube channel, you had that idea in your mind. The idea of, I'm going to share my message to the world. And if you have that idea within your heart that you're going to share the message with the world, why would you quit if you think nobody's watching? Somebody's always watching your videos. Somebody's always seeing your face on YouTube if you keep posting videos. And number one thing I want you to realize, you have people assigned to you in your message. Because when you're thinking about giving up, you got people waiting for you to share your message. That's number one. So when you're thinking about stop posting and stop uploading videos, remember you got people assigned to you. They're waiting for that message to come out of your heart, out of your mouth and on the screen. They're waiting to see you. They're looking up at the Google search and saying, I want to find out the answer to this. You are the answer. You are the answer because those people assigned to you, they're assigned to your message. And if they're assigned to your message, they're searching for you. That's number one. You got people assigned to you. The second thing, I want you to realize, I want you to matter of fact, get a pen and piece of paper and write this down. I want you to realize that everyone is not as courageous as you. Don't you know there's millions of people on YouTube that has a YouTube channel? And there's millions of people who just got a channel with no videos. You are special. You are courageous. That's the second thing I want you to know. You are special and you are courageous. Why? Because you had the audacity, the mitigated gall to start a YouTube channel and not just start a channel, post videos on that channel. You should be proud of yourself. Not many people post videos on YouTube. Not many people will have the nerve to get on YouTube, but you got a YouTube channel with 10 videos on there with low views and no views, but there's millions of people who got a channel with no videos on there. So what you got low views? That's more views than the person who got a channel with no views. You are special. You have something to offer to those people that's assigned to you. And number three, the most important part, you are uniquely and divinely guided to share that gift. Don't think it's strange that you say you want to start a YouTube channel. You got a YouTube channel and you putting videos out there and you thinking nobody's watching, but you are divinely guided by posting those videos, because once you post the videos, it's out in the YouTube universe. And since it's out in the YouTube universe, there's people who are watching those videos without clicking. Look at it. There are people watching videos without clicking on the videos. Don't you know there's people watching this video without clicking the thumbnail? Go to your home page. You will see a lot of videos where you don't even have to turn the sound up and you'll see the closed caption on the side. And they have it in the algorithm right now that you can even turn up the volume and don't even have to click the thumbnail, and you can hear them talking for the next, 30 seconds and see what they're talking about before you even click the thumbnail. People are watching you without even clicking the thumbnail because you are divinely guided. You have something inside your heart that has to get out. And it's trying to get out, but you're afraid of low views and no views, thinking nobody's watching your videos. When you think nobody's watching, people are really watching you. The algorithm's watching you. The algorithm's your friend if you don't know it. The algorithm's your friend because the algorithm has all the information that you put out there and got all the information that people are searching for. And the people searching for you and the algorithms, I know where he's at. I know where the answer's at. Come over here. Come to my time. Come over here. I'll show you your answer. And he got your answer. And I'm going to introduce you to my time. You're getting a warm introduction from the algorithm. The algorithm gives you a warm introduction to those people that's assigned to you. So when you say, nobody's watching my videos, I'm not going to post no more. Don't stop. The algorithm's trying to see if you're consistent. The algorithm's trying to see if you are going to keep going after that dream of being on YouTube, sharing your message. You know you got people assigned to you. You know you divinely guided to put out the content on YouTube. So when you're thinking nobody's watching your videos, you're going to stop posting, kick that thought out your mind. Because people are already watching you. Remember, you got low views. Remember, people are watching you before they click the thumbnail. The algorithm is watching you to see if you're consistent enough so he can introduce you to the warm introduction to the people that's assigned to you. Get this. I want you to get this. Realize this. The algorithm is your friend. You thinking the algorithm is against you. No, the algorithm is your friend. He's going to give you a warm introduction to the people that's assigned to you. And one more thing I want you to know. If you're still listening to this message 7 minutes in, I want to congratulate you. Because that means you want to get your message out on YouTube because you got low views and no views. And every little bit helps. And this encouragement is going to encourage you to keep on pushing, keep on moving to that solid goal of getting those views. If you're going to be monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be monetized. And the only way you get monetized is posting those videos. If you give up, you're not going to get monetized. If you give up, you're not going to get the results that you desire to be monetized. Because if people are not watching your videos, like you said, you ain't going to get monetized. But if you check your analytics, people are watching. People are clicking that thumbnail. And you're thinking that nothing's happening. There's a lot happening in the background. The algorithm's checking you out to make sure that you're consistent. The algorithm checking you out to make sure that when they give the warm introduction, you want to be the person that they introduce you as. The mighty, powerful person who has went through the battle and the challenges of thinking nobody watching their videos. And they've been consistent by posting more videos and more videos and more videos, trusting that those people that's assigned to them will see these videos and click the videos and watch the videos. That's what I want you to do. Do not give in. Do not give up. Because just because you think nobody's watching your videos, I want you to keep posting because people are watching your videos. So don't stop posting. Keep posting even when that thought comes up that nobody's watching your videos. Keep posting. Keep posting. And if you need any help, any assistance, type in the comment section, #help. And I'm here to help you. Because in my time community, we help you grow your channel, you grow your life. If you grow your life, your channel got no other reason not to grow. This is my time. This is my experience. This is my life.